Yeah, this comes after his directive to county election officials to stop registering felons. Evnen previously told us he's following an opinion of the state's attorney general, who said 2 laws allowing felons to vote were unconstitutional.
As KETV Newswatch 7's Jessica Perez reports, the ACLU says Hilger's opinion isn't legally binding. She joins us live. Jessica.
Yeah, Hilger's opinion says that only the Board of Pardons can restore a felon's voting rights. But this lawsuit says the legislature does have that power through statute. TJ King was incarcerated from 2016 to 2021. Upon release, it was time to adjust.
I wanted to be able to get back into society, get back into the swing of things.
Part of that is being involved in community and voting, but that may no longer be possible.
Telling a certain group of people that you are not allowed to do something because of your past indiscretion is very disheartening.
Attorney General Mike Hilgers opined on a law that would restore King's voting rights as unconstitutional, along with a law passed in 2005 that created a 2-year waiting period for felons to restore their voting rights. In response, the Secretary of State told local election officials to stop registering felons.
It's just one more way for system-impacted people to feel disenfranchised.
ACLU Nebraska, Civic Nebraska, and impacted voters are fighting the directive, filing a lawsuit saying Hilger's opinion is not legally binding, and Evnen's directive violates separation of power.
It is extremely troubling that these Nebraskans have to sue our state's top election officials just to get them to follow the law and let eligible voters vote.
They also say the legislature's ability to restore voting rights has been long-standing and upheld by the Nebraska Supreme Court.
We believe Secretary Evnen is unlawfully denying thousands of Nebraskans access to the ballot, including our clients.
They want the state Supreme Court to compel Evnen and other election officials to allow felons to vote. King says this election is important, and they want to have a voice.
I was fortunate enough in this lifetime to see our first Black president in office, not for 1 term, but for 2 terms. And that meant a lot. And I think that being able to have a voice in this particular election would be right up there with that.
Evnen, Hilgers, and the Douglas County Commissioner all declined to comment on the lawsuit today. Jessica Perez, KETV, Newswatch 7.